Yes, today we are going to create a web-based calculator that is going to perform simple mathematical operation. For example, 40 plus 7 minus 3 divided by 2 also, and then we get an answer. I could keep just adding numbers and just doing a normal mathematical operation, and then if we made a mistake we could delete one item and so on and so forth, and we can actually clear everything out so we everything is gonna work. And then when we use it 16 characters, we say that the screen can only contain 16 characters. So yeah, that's it, and let's do it. So this project is going to take JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. All right. So yes, this is the HTML boilerplate, and if I open my live saver, what will I have? All right, I have an empty web page displayed for me. So yeah, link my CSS external file into the HTML document. So yes. So I did not want it to bore you with my typing all of the content into my HTML document. So I'm just gonna explain. I have a div of real calculator, and I have a form that has buttons. This is going to hold all the buttons, and I have different buttons. I have about um 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 buttons all together. And then I have a class of button for all the buttons except for the three last ones. I have each of them a data attributes with a value of number, and each of them has their respective value as the ones that have been shown here. And that's just what I have. Now for this other group of buttons, I have the button gray, and the last ones I have this one will be equal and clear and delete. And then for my operation buttons, those will be yellow color. And I also have a link to my JavaScript file. If this, nothing happens. So I'm going to go to my style sheet and start style. With 300 pixels height. have and I'll come here for my inputs. Outline, radius should be yes, we are almost done. The next thing I want to style, okay, for my button, yes, have display flex, flex wrap padding, this justify content space between, width 60 for the buttons, each of these buttons, height 52 flex. Um, this shows how my flex, each of the button will grow respectively. I have and all these styles here. So if I save this will make the button. Save this. Background color black. What else? Um, left with one thing to make this calculator responsive. So first I'm going to do save this. You should have that very nice responsiveness. Now the next thing we are going to do will be our JavaScript. So I'll come back here and here we go to JavaScript.js. This JavaScript is successfully linked. So I'll start. Function that will run automatically immediately after our web page is loaded already. And inside this function, I'm going to have let's let's number. Screen. What I'm supposed to put here would be plus equal. And is for all this equal sign. So I'm gonna target my equal button. So this will be is basically JavaScript keyword that changes a string into an operation and return the value as if it was an operation, mathematical operation, right? Just going to help us make our work very easy. Refresh this page plus 8 is equals to. All right, so we are done with him. Is screen dot value. And maybe to check if the users have visited um else. Alright, I think here is a mistake. It's supposed to be dollar. Then I have a function. Variable x and gonna first check if value is 90. So if I'm gonna have view dot plus equals to x dot calc x is equals to, let me just put this down like this. So save screen is not equal to an empty string. Then another variable x equals to screen dot value. Another variable b equals to empty string. This is a for loop length of my string in the value, the screen, and this is supposed to stop at -1, and we have it increments by 1 until it gets all the character except the last character, and each of these character, all these character, it's added into this b variable, and finally we print out the b variable. So that's how we move one number at a time. So the next thing I'm going to do is just gonna say delete. Yes, guys, we have successfully created our calculator. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.